Some shops finish pre-treatment, but can't get everything sprayed the same day. Parts sit in the workshop overnight, and the next day, they go through the line, only to find adhesion is way worse, with blistering and peeling. That's because after pre-treatment, the surface is chemically active. If you wait too long, it starts reoxidizing and picking up dust and oil from the air. Phosphate layers in particular age when exposed to air, and adhesion drops significantly. General rule: spray as soon as possible after pre-treatment, ideally within 24 hours. Keep the storage area dry and clean. If you really can't spray them in time, cover them with vapor phase rust preventive paper to reduce air exposure. Don't use regular plastic film. It traps moisture and makes things worse. Pre-treatment is time-sensitive. Don't let it sit. Get it sprayed. How long do you wait between pre-treatment and spraying in your shop? Drop a comment. Let's talk.
摘要 Together we color the world.